This is the robin from the Christmas Fabazine number 2, and you're going to get 12 of these in total. So you're going to get 4 in this colour, 4 in this slightly lighter brown colour, and 4 in a slightly dark brown colour. So you're going to get 12 in total. So there are 8 pieces you'll need. You'll need 4 of these. I've only got 2 on the bench because we're just going to show you how to make the wing with just the one set. 2 body pieces, and 2 of these pieces which I know look like pencils, but they're not pencils. They're to make the top and the bottom of your bird. So we're going to start by adding these in place. So we're going to take one side, and I've got the lighter colour pencil, which you can see is going to make the tummy of the bird. And you're going to stitch these along. Now you can hand stitch these, or you can machine stitch these as well. And I will show you how to machine stitch these, because you kind of want to take it just a little bit of time doing short straight pieces and just putting a few slits in there just to allow that to work around the curve. So let me jump over to the machine and I'll show you how we do it. So I'm back with the machine, and that first piece is in, and you can see it's starting to take shape there. Now, because we've printed everything for you, you can see everything's there ready, so everything should line up beautifully in terms of matching your colours. And the point where you want to stop, if I show you on this flat one, is here. It's about kind of level with the beak. If you were to kind of draw a straight line across from the beak, it's about there that you want to stop, because what that will do is that will add the tail part in. So I'll go ahead and put the other half in the same way as we did that, and then repeat the process for the top. So you're going to do exactly the same again, just line that up with the beginning there, the beak, and start sewing all the way around the top. And this time it's a little bit more difficult because you've got an internal curve in there as well, so you're definitely going to want a little snip in there to allow that fabric to move. And you're going to come all the way around to the back. When you get round to the back, you should have these 2 flappy pieces of tails kind of flopping about. What you're going to want to do with them is place them face to face and then stitch round. Now, if you're going to need to leave a space for stuffing on this, which you are, I would recommend that you leave it on one of these sides here, or even kind of towards the back of that side there. Now you can stuff it through the tail if you want to, but what you will find, if I grab this finished one, is you've got quite a tight spot here, which is going to make it a little bit more difficult to sew. So just bear that in mind. And then you want to take a little piece of embroidery thread just before you stitch it up, and put a knot in one end, pull it up, send it back down through his head. Either do it through the head or do it at this point here, because that's kind of a balance point for him, and he'll stay nice and even if you do it on that point where it kind of automatically creates a crease in the back of the neck. And then all you need to do is stitch him up. But before you do, wings, nearly forgot the wings, you're going to place them face to face, so from about ½ an inch along on this side of the wing all the way around, and then stop and leave yourself enough space to turn it right side out. You're going to need to snip into all those bits around the edge of the wing to make sure it turns right side out smoothly, and then you're going to want to position them however you want on the robin, and just either a big tacking stitch through, or you can just stitch through the inner layer so you don't see any of your stitches on the outer layer. Do all this before you stuff it and stitch it up, and then it's just a simple ladder stitch. You can see mine there, just to close them up. So really, really cute, really, really simple project, and you're going to get 12 of these within your Christmas Fabazine too.